Welcome back everyone. So today's the time I'm going to take down my garlic and give them a chop back, because as much as I like them hanging up, they're just taking too much space. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop them up and turn them like this, so you see them in the shop. So what I tend to do when I do cut them up is, well, since it's my first time doing this, is that I'm using this cardboard box here, is because when I cut all the stuff off, I can then chuck this in the compost heap and I'm not losing out all the goodness which I've created. I mean, you spent all this time making soil, don't throw it away, put it back in your compost heap. So let's get cutting. Celia, you going to help me with the garlic? What are you going to do with the drill? I've also realised that I'm wearing the same vest I wore last time I sorted my garlic out. I do wash, people. Do you remember this guy? Look at this big Bertha here. This is huge. This has got about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cloves on this, and they're huge. They're humongous. So I think it's due to the biochar. So if you want to know about biochar, click the link in the right hand side of the screen and you'll get making it or buying it. Preferably make it, it's cheaper, and yeah, it does the trick. Also be sure to squeeze out, like, or not squeeze out, but like kind of shake out as much soil as possible, yeah? Because remember I said, there's all goodness in there, you don't want to lose it, don't want it to go to waste. So just give it a good old zhuzh. Oh, look at the little small one, little baby.
Space.
There's a space. Look, come round this way. Come on. So come and sit on Daddy's lap. You say hello to everyone. Look at the camera. Look in this bit. Say hello.
Hi. Where's everybody?
Everyone's going to be at home watching this, or outside on their phones, or wherever they are, where they got a little tablet. Yeah. So we've got to cut more of the garlic. Sort it all out. All done. I got how many tubs? About a good 5, well 4.5 really, of garlic. It looks very professional, doesn't it? Look, something you see in the shops. Ta-da! And I'm not sure if I was clear earlier, but these have been drying, hanging for about just over 2 weeks now, and the recommendations is 2 weeks. So yeah, it might differ for everyone else, but mine are crispy dry and perfect for the shop. So I'm selling these guys for £10 a clove. So this is £10. If they're big ones, 20. I'm kidding. Just a little tip for you guys in case you're wondering what to do with your garlic. I was thinking of hanging these guys, but I'm moving and I don't really want to have them like swinging around the van. Like there's no vampires chasing me, so just chop them up so I can store them. It's easier to kind of travel with these guys, eh? But anyways, happy gardening. I'll be back soon. Not sure what I'm doing again. It's just one of those crazy times. Like other than packing and sorting stuff out, I'll be all over the place. So, and look, I've got a whole big box full of compost. So yeah, this is going to go back into the system, so into the loop. So anyways guys, have a good week, have a good day wherever you are, and peace.